Imagine this. Your life is a grand masterpiece, and every single morning you are handed a fresh brush and a clean canvas. The question is not whether you will paint, but what you will paint. Each stroke, each choice, each thought becomes part of the picture you call your destiny. Success, my friend, is not built in a day. It is built daily. And there are 10 habits, small in effort but mighty in power, that can transform your life forever. 1. Set one clear goal every day. A ship without a destination drifts wherever the wind blows. It moves, yes, but without purpose, without direction, without end. So it is with the man who wakes without a goal. He may be busy, but busyness is not progress. Before the noise of the day surrounds you, set one clear aim. Not 10, not 5, just one. A mind with a purpose becomes a force. Clarity turns motion into momentum. Greatness begins the moment you decide what you truly want. 2. Begin the day with gratitude. Your thoughts shape your destiny, and gratitude, my friend, is the architect of a strong mind. Most people wake burdened, thinking of what they lack. But gratitude shifts the lens. It reminds you of what you already have, your breath, your strength, your chance. When you focus on blessings instead of barriers, your mind moves from fear to faith, from limitation to possibility. And a grateful mind, once awakened, can never again live small. 3. Read 30 minutes each day. The mind grows by what it feeds upon. To sharpen your thoughts, you must nourish them. One page of wisdom can change the course of your entire life. Every great leader, thinker, and dreamer shared one habit: a hunger for learning. Books demand attention. They challenge, question, and expand. In a world of noise, reading is rebellion. It declares, I choose growth over distraction. 4. Master your inner dialogue. You are the master of your fate. But only when you master your thoughts. Say to yourself, I am weak, and you command failure. Say instead, I am learning, and you invite growth. Words are not just sound, they are seeds. Speak faith, and faith shall grow. Speak doubt, and doubt shall rule you. The greatest men in history spoke their success into existence long before they lived it. You must do the same. 5. Embrace discomfort. Daily man is not built for comfort. He is built for conquest. Comfort dulls the spirit. It lulls the mind into mediocrity. Do something hard every day. Rise before the sun. Face what you fear. Push beyond fatigue and hesitation. Each act of discomfort is a forge, and you, my friend, are the metal being shaped by fire. The man who endures today shall be the master of tomorrow. 6. Guard your focus. Distraction is the thief of destiny. It steals silently, with endless noise and fleeting pleasures. What you focus on, you feed. Focus on problems, and they multiply. Focus on solutions, and you rise. Train your mind as a warrior trains his sword. Sharp, precise, unbending. Turn off the noise. Command your attention, because the man who controls his focus controls his future. 7. Cultivate relentless discipline. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. It is doing what must be done, whether or not you feel like it. The undisciplined man is a prisoner of impulse, but the disciplined man, he is free. Every time you act when it's hard, every time you keep your promise to yourself, you build strength no one can take from you. Talent may open doors, but discipline keeps them open. And the man who masters himself masters all. 8. Surround yourself with greatness. You become the company you keep. Spend time with dreamers, and you will dream. Walk with warriors, and you will fight. Mediocrity is contagious, but so is excellence. Seek those who lift your standard, who challenge your comfort, who make you better. No man climbs alone. The right people will sharpen your edge, expand your vision, and help you rise. 9. Take action every day. A dream without action is a wish. And wishes, my friend, fade with the wind. Do something, anything, that moves you closer to your goal. Even a single step forward each day creates momentum. The man who moves, even slowly, will always surpass the one who waits. Success does not come to the idle. It bows to the relentless. 10. End each day with reflection. The greatest growth begins with honest reflection. Before you sleep, ask yourself, what did I do well today? Where can I improve tomorrow? Progress is not perfection. It is persistence. Each mistake is a teacher, each day a lesson. The man who reflects daily refines his life. He evolves while others repeat their errors. These 10 habits may seem small, but together they are the blueprint of greatness. Clarity, gratitude, learning, focus, discipline, reflection. They will shape your character, fuel your ambition, and carve your destiny. The question is not, can you do it? The question is, but will you? The life you want is not waiting for you. It is waiting for you to take action. And action, my friend, is always within your control. My friend, as you step into the year 2026, remember this great truth. Success is not waiting for you somewhere in the future. It begins in your own thoughts today. You already hold within your mind the key to open every door you dream of. The world is changing faster than ever before. Technology grows, new opportunities rise, and distractions call from every direction. But through all of it, one law remains the same, the law that Napoleon Hill discovered. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. So how do you apply it in your daily life this year? It begins with a simple but powerful habit, the habit of thought control. Each morning, before the world touches your mind, take a few minutes to imagine clearly what you want. See yourself already living your goal. Feel it, believe it, and repeat it with conviction. I am capable, I am deserving, I am becoming the person I was meant to be. Next, write down one clear goal for 2026. Not 10, not 20, but 1. Focus your energy upon it until your mind begins to move toward it as surely as the compass points to the north. Then take daily action, no matter how small. Action turns faith into results. Each step builds belief, and belief builds momentum. Surround yourself with positive influences. Read books that lift you up. Listen to voices that inspire you. Speak words that create rather than destroy. Your environment shapes your thoughts, and your thoughts shape your destiny. Finally, practice gratitude every evening. Be thankful for what you have, and the universe will send you more to be thankful for. A grateful mind attracts abundance, just as a worried mind attracts delay. Remember, 2025 will not reward those who simply wish. It will reward those who believe, act, and persist. So let this be your daily reminder. You are the master of your thoughts. You are the architect of your destiny, and the power to change your world begins not tomorrow, but right now within you.